I don't know how I could give down to my Morgul in the middle of the combat. Is there like a way to do it? Top 4?
I've got some fresh recruits for you.
I can triple the 4 Reaper. I don't know if that adds that much. Does it? Hmm.
Go big and go home, I always say.
I want the 6 drop guy.
Harvesting servos.
If I don't get offered the 6 drop guy, then I'm kind of weak. Zatian, thank you for the 5 months.
Go ahead and hire one of these recruits.
Hush now, time for sleep.
Another one.
For justice. It's good to get some minions in play. Leroy Jenkins. A good tactical.
Guys, I play to win the lobby. I'm not effing around. I'm aware that without the Scorpion guy, I'm not gonna be as strong, but I want to Tilty Drone and Drakari. But yeah, maybe going full scamming, like rolling for another of the Venomous guys and playing like Leroy double Venom maybe was better approach. Hard to say, actually. Maybe taunting the Amalgam was incorrect, as somebody in chat points out. It's difficult to reset a deflector with a non-taunt. I wanted everybody to have like a good amount of stats. Do I just win because of— Oh! That was funny, sorry. Still dead? Stay school, kid. I'm not dead here, mate. That was OFC certified.
Your minions really pulled their weight.
If it ain't broke, still fix it.
It's good to get some minions in play. Better hire a recruit while you.
What does this guy say? If it ain't broke, still fix it.
Go to sleep.
Like you. Very funny. RD, I have been playing on Europe from Vietnam since Battlegrounds released. You think several regions make a difference? I mean, they do for the lag. For example, if I play on NA, it's way more laggy for me than if I play on Europe. Like, look here, I can feel it takes like a little bit more than it should for me to like do an action. Even if it's something as simple as moving minions. You get used to it, but it's still annoying. Do you ever freeze to triple the Leroy next turn? No. Tripling Leroy gives me a discovery. I'm already past the point where I would want to play for the polarizing beatboxer. So what do I want right now? I don't know. I don't know what I want. Maybe kick W's in chat could help. Oh, I can freeze the Leroy and then like sell the Leroy, buy Leroy. And then what do I achieve? What do you achieve with that? I want to play my magnets. I can play them even with full board, so I'm not really achieving anything here by freezing for the Leroy. If anything, you want to roll and then try to buy one of the Scorpion guys. Where is he? This guy, the Relentless Murgul. And then cut Leroy, cut Drakari, play 2 Relentlesses for your endgame composition. Now that can be a play. Now that can be a play.
You're doing great out there.
Murgul is better than Leroy because you put it at the end of your composition and it's super, super good. But let's see if we get there. This guy seems doable. It's just, does my Venom hold? And now, go into Venom. Ah. Leroy Jenkins. Leroy bringing the W's. What a classic. What a classic. Drakari got its effect in like a really good way.
Your minions really pulled their weight.
Do you ever go for the adaptable barricade? It's a very annoying minion. Too slow, right? Yeah, we just look for the Morgulin for
One of these recruits.
adapts. Let. Oh shit. I guess that's okay. Beatboxer. If you play the Beatboxer over the Leroy, you're committing to winning stats on stats. So we're putting 5 adaptations on it. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 30. That's not enough stats to play it. And we're still looking for the Murgul. Murglul. Why do you need Rakari? He makes drone activate 3 times and scraper activate 3 times. But this turn is not a scraper turn, so I was down to cut Rakari for something like a Murgul.
Keep up the momentum, friend. Yes!
Adam, thank you for the 11 months. How are you liking the patch? I love some anomalies. I'm okay with some other anomalies. And I absolutely detest some of the anomalies. Overall, I like the patch and the diversity that it comes with. It feels like a cold shower. It's interesting. Okay,